Hi friends, today we are going to make extra crispy Gobi Pakoda.
The secret combination makes it very crispy. We just need 30 minutes to make this delicious Gobi Pakoda. Take some water, add half teaspoon salt, boil it, add the cauliflower, boil for 4 to 5 minutes, remove the water, keep aside for later use. In a bowl, we can make masala paste. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add the cauliflower. Mix it well. Marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare besan batter. Take 1 cup of Gramflour, 2 tablespoons rice flour, half teaspoon ajwain powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, a pinch of baking soda, half teaspoon salt. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Take a pan, add 3 tablespoons oil. Dip the marinated gobi in the besan batter. Then fry it until it turns brown and crispy. Our extra crispy Gobi Pakoda is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.